everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we've got you another video, and in this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and delete your DLS 23. So yes, before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go ahead, open your app. Once I open my app, we will be able to see this kind of interface right here, right? We will simply go ahead, tap on this settings icon given on your top, and then you will see this kind of options and etc, right? What you're going to do here is you can simply go ahead, tap on this advanced option with the setting icon given, and now you will be able to find this interface. Then what you're gonna do is simply go ahead, tap on this danger icon given below on the fifth option and the second last from the last. Go ahead, tap on that, and then you will be able to see this delete profile. So what you're gonna go ahead, tap on this delete profile, then you're gonna get another confirmation where you can tap on the delete option, and now it's loading. And as you can see, I had a cancel request which again is giving, so I will simply go ahead, go back. So if you go ahead, read this note, it's basically gonna say that you have submitted the request regarding a deletion, and yes, you will be soon notified, or when you go again back to your account you will find some differences. So yes guys, this is how you can simply go ahead, send a deletion request to DLS and remove your account or profile. And thank you so much for watching. If you got more concerns, do leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll see you guys next time.